Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Sandy Williams. Despite an almost 8% rise in sales, R.A. Williams Distributors ended its first quarter with a net loss of $1.9 million. Revenues reached $1.6 billion, but the increase was offset by higher expenses linked to day-to-day operations.
Primarily due to our strategic investment in our growth initiatives, we strengthened our foundation and expanded our equity base, enabling the company to be in a position to meet its future growth plans.
However, the company has been broadening its product portfolio to meet critical health needs in Jamaica.
We are proud to announce that we launched Iracet, the first generic anti-seizure medication of its kind in Jamaica, through an exclusive partnership with our partners Square Pharmaceuticals. This launch marked Square's entry into the chronic care segment of the pharmaceutical market. It has already improved quality of lives for thousands of Jamaicans living with epilepsy.
Positioning itself for growth in the coming months, CEO Audley Reed says the company is also seeking to secure regulatory approvals of a pipeline of new pharmaceutical preparations. This will introduce more cutting-edge therapies in Jamaican market.
Of market expansion opportunities by evaluating regional markets where our distribution expertise can make a difference.
Sagicor Life Jamaica is expanding its critical illness coverage to include early-stage breast and prostate cancer. Effective today, clients with eligible plans will receive partial payouts once diagnosed with early-stage forms of the diseases.
Through this upgraded benefit, we are giving our clients the ability to act early, especially as we encourage screening and general wellness. Clients eligible for this new offering and diagnosed on or after October 1st, 2025 can benefit from a partial payout of 25% of the sum insured for policies under 5 million Jamaican dollars and a cap of 1.25 million for policies at $5 million or more.
For breast cancer, the benefit applies to non-invasive cases such as ductal carcinoma in situ. For prostate cancer, it applies to early stages T1A and T1B. Clients can claim up to 25% of their sum insured with a maximum payout of $1.25 million. All categories of fuel will see increases effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline will be increased by 74 cents and 90 gasoline will go up by 77 cents. Automotive diesel will see $2.94 being added, while the cost of ultra-low sulfur diesel, kerosene propane, and butane will be increased by $3.06. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. On the stock market, the JSE index declined by 964 points, while the junior market index declined by 67 points. The winners include Cygnus Real Estate Finance USD shares, Knoxford Express Services, AS Braden & Sons Holdings, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Jetcon Corporation. The losers included Express Catering, ISP Finance Services, Pulse Investments, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Lumber Depot. 18 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with Banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $161.30. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.03. The pound is going for $217.17, while the euro is selling for an average $189.65. And that's the Business Day. I'm Sandy Williams. Good evening.